The Dream Factory.
In the heart of the North Pole, where the snow glistened under the moonlight, there existed a magical place known as the Dream Factory. In this secret corner, the elves worked tirelessly to turn people's dreams into personalized gifts full of Christmas magic. Among the elves, there was a curious little one named Faust. Unlike his peers, Fausto always dreamed of exploring beyond his workstation and discovering the true meaning of Christmas. One day, while inspecting an old trunk full of children's letters, he found a special letter written by a girl named Clara. In it, Clara expressed her deepest desire to bring joy to others. Inspired by the letter, Fausto decided to venture outside the factory to make Clara's dream come true. He glided through the silent hallways, past toy stations and mountains of gifts, until he reached the workshop of forgotten toys. There, he found broken and worn toys that, with a little magic, could come back to life and bring joy to those who needed it most. Fausto began to work in secret, repairing and restoring the forgotten toys. Each one received a magical touch, turning them into unique treasures full of love and nostalgia. When Christmas Eve arrived, Fausto presented his gift to Clara, a collection of restored toys, each with a special story. As Clara distributed the toys to the children of her community, the magic of the Dream Factory spread beyond the borders of the North Pole. The toys not only brought joy to children, but also reminded adults of the importance of generosity and connection during the holiday season. The story of Faust and the Dream Factory became a legend that was told every Christmas. The factory not only created physical gifts, but reminded everyone that shared dreams and acts of kindness are the true jewels of the season. Fausto became a silent hero, reminding us that the magic of Christmas lies in giving, sharing and making the dreams of others come true. Since then, the Dream Factory continued its work, inspiring elves and those who believe in the magic of Christmas to follow Faust's example and share love and joy around the world.